666 Seminyak Beach, 6:30 a.m. See what it's like after last night's storms again. A lot of people out here getting ready to surf and learn to surf. The usual locals, as you can see. It's really sad because the locals here try so hard to keep it clean. Every time a storm comes in, this rubbish gets up at the moment because of the wet season. But they'll all be down here cleaning it up before the tourists get down. Walking towards Kuta from Seminyak. So far, this has actually come up pretty good compared to the other night storms. It's far worse. People might complain, but they've got no idea what they go through here. They really do a good job. Coffee Club is up over yonder. Might stop there on the way. As you can see in the distance, one of the machines that help clean the beach is already coming through, picking up all the plastics that have been washed in from not just Bali but other islands as well. We just happen to be the stopping block for it. Sunday here, so the locals and the kids should be down here soon too. that area up there behind the in front of the Mustery Hotel was in a lot better condition yesterday. As I walk along the flat part, if you look to your left, you can see just how much higher the sand was until the storms start coming in and wiped it all out. It's been a really rough time for them here. And they deserve praise for everything they've been able to do. They're very peaceful people, inventive people. They always try to do the best for you. It's just nice in return to, if you get a chance, help them out. A smile is worth $1 million, not more. Uncle Chang over, he got hit pretty hard the other night by the storms. Broke his signs, umbrellas, chairs. And as you can see, it got smashed badly. Let's see if we can help him out later. As you can see, walking behind here, everybody's been beaten up pretty badly. Storms. You see the umbrella in the background there? That was a full umbrella 2 days ago. pretty hard time for them. I'll end this video here. She's in front of the Aurora establishment. In front of me there. But as you can see, they've got beaten up pretty bad. They're resilient people. They will recover again and again and again. They have no choice.